Welcome to lesson 18 of web design. In this lesson we are going to look at HTML lists. In particular, we are going to have a look at ordered lists, or another name for ordered lists is called numbered lists. Our tags, opening and closing tags, we have the less than sign, OL, which stands for ordered list, and the greater than sign, which is the opening tag, and in the corresponding closing tag we have the /. In between our opening and closing tags of the ordered list or numbered list, we must have list items. The tags for the list items are LI and /LI. That's the opening tag and the closing tag. By default, we have ordered lists which use plain numbers. So if we're looking at this particular example, we have ordered lists. My list items are potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and lettuce. So because by default it will have these numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In addition to our ordinary numbers like 1, 2, 3, we can also use capital letters, for example A, B, C, and so on. In order for us to use this type of order, we must use the type attribute of the ordered list. So we have your ordered list opening tag, type equals capital letter A, and remember the value must be within double quotes. So these now will be numbered capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, and so on. In addition to this, we can also have small letters, again using the type attribute. We can also have capital Roman letters 1, 2, 3, and so on, again using the type attribute, and we can have small Roman letters, again using the type attribute. Let us look at some examples. Here I have an example. Remember, they are ordered lists. Now let's remove these ones here. Remember, these are comments. Alright, looking at our example, firstly, by default, these are going to be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Note, in the opening tag there is no type declaration there. The second one is we're using the type attribute is equal to capital letter A, so it's going to be A, B, C, D, and so on. And then the third one, we are using type equals small letter A, so it's going to be small letter A, small letter B, and so on. The fourth one, we are using type equals small letter I, which is the small Roman numeral letters. And the last one, we're using capital letter I, which is the capital Roman numerals. Let us run this program. Before we run it, let's save it. And then when we run it, look at our different examples. By default, 1, 2, 3, 4. Using the type equals a capital letter A, we have A, B, C, D. Using type equals small letter A, we have small letter A, B, C, D. Using type equals small letter I, we have small Roman numerals. And using the capital type equals capital letter I is equals to, we have the capital Roman numerals. Very quickly, I want to go back to this example. Let me just correct this. I made a mistake here. Save it. And I want to show you one more thing, that we can actually start with something else. So we can start, if I have type equals A, we can start with type equals, let's just say D. Save it and run it, and now you will find that it starts with 1 again by default. Close that, take it back to A. Save it.